All right, now let's talk about impact of ChatGPT in various sectors or in various industries itself. And starting with, let's say, customer service and support, which means like ChatGPT's powered by chatbots powered by ChatGPT can handle routine customers inquiries and support requests. Very easily. Like they can offer personalized responses, troubleshoot problems, statements, and escalate complex issues to human agents whenever it's necessary, right? So it's basically reducing response time and improving customer satisfaction, just like that human is responding to that particular person. So that's this capability makes it's more pragmatic to any of these industries, right? And this is why that chat gpt applications are more in demand. Healthcare, obviously, like chat gpt can assist healthcare professionals in researching medical literature, answering queries, and providing patient education, right? So it can also serve as a virtual medical assistant for patients, helping them schedule appointments, monitor medications, and access health related information. Kind of education is also a very huge sector where ChatGPT is getting deployed, and ChatGPT can act as a, let's say, virtual tutor. And this will see really into this particular segment itself, into this particular course as well, like how ChatGPT can work as an instructor, how it can behave as a parallel programmers. This all we are going to see that into the coming sections itself. So it provides personalized explanations and guidance to students in a wide range of subjects. So it can automate, let's say, grading and assessment tasks, freeing up educators to focus on teaching and mentoring rather, right? So this is pretty nice. And finance and banking, of course, ChatGPT can assist customer with account inquiries, transaction history, and basic financial advice as well. It can help in fraud detection, which is makes its more a powerful tool by analyzing patterns of suspicious activities and alerting financial institutions in real time. That's why it's getting deployed into banking sectors also pretty immensely, right? And e-commerce segment, if you see, like ChatGPT can enhance the shopping experience by providing product recommendations, answering questions about products, and assisting the purchase process, right? So this is where this can be recommendation engine can be used by ChatGPT as well. So it can be used for, let's say, personalized marketing, sending tailored products to the user, and other suggestions as well. Content creation is one of the widely used sector where ChatGPT is getting used. Whether you are a professional content creator or even a amateur guy who is going to write some kind of write up, so you can use ChatGPT content creation stuff and write pretty professional write up while writing any kind of article or a blog. It can also help in brainstorming ideas, creating outlines, and even editing content for you to fix the grammatical mistakes and typos, right? Legal services, of course, like ChatGPT can assist lawyers and legal professionals in conducting legal research, drafting contracts, and providing quick answers to legal queries as well, right? So it can help in document review, rather discovery process. So it's all about reducing the time and cost factor which is involved here. Human resources, likewise, we have can automate HR tasks, like employee queries, onboarding process. So these are the factors. It can assist in creating job descriptions as well, which is where, let's say, you are in LinkedIn, if you are there, and most of the times it is getting generated by nowadays is chat gpt, like they are generating the JD, and these HRs are directly putting up there, so it's saving their time as well. Translation services, again, which is pretty widely used, which can involve high quality language translation, breaking down in language barriers in various industries. Let's say you need your article, or let's say course, to be published in multiple languages. So in that case, you can use chat gpt translation service itself, or you can just say that can you translate me from language English to, let's say, language Hindi, or probably Spanish, or be it in any language. It can certainly do that, and it does pretty precisely, right? And then we have gaming and entertainment, like, so the chat gpt can enhance the storytelling in video games, like by generating dynamic dialogues and responses for non-player characters. Basically, it can personalize, let's say, user experience by creating tailored recommendations for movies, musics, and other sort of entertainment. So that is what is a pretty popular segment as well. Market research is like ChatGPT can assist in analyzing vast amounts of textual data and from social media, surveys, and news sources to extract insights, trends as well. So we'll also see like how to analyze and synthesize data in that the as a plus member, because that is what is getting at the time of recording is added as a feature, as a beta feature at the moment, and we have a dedicated section for that, so don't worry about that. Now manufacturing, and then we have, let's say, government and public services, so which improves like let's say it can improve citizen engagement by answering questions, providing information on government services, guiding users, let's say, through administrative processes, and it can help with data analysis also and policy research as well. Now the other factor which I have included here, like manufacturing and supply chain. So ChatGPT can optimize supply chain operations by providing real-time insights into say inventory management and demand forecasting and overall process overseeing, right? So it's like order processing thing which you can think of like, and then it can assist in quality control and troubleshooting in manufacturing processes as well, right? So these are the 13 factors, which is the high level which I thought is mostly used by ChatGPT. But apart from, there are other sectors also which you can see as a cousin sectors of these 13 sectors, or you can see that as a derived sector of these 13 sectors, like which is also using ChatGPT intensely. So be it any field you are in, whether you are from a software field or you are from a the other field, let's say from any of these fields, it will be pretty help for you guys. Like ChatGPT can help anyone who just knows the computer and knows how to use the ChatGPT. So don't worry about now how to use the ChatGPT, because that is what we are going to learn into this particular entire course itself. So while ChatGPT offers significant advantages, it also comes with challenging, challenges, including ethical concerns and data privacy. So which we have already seen in the previous videos, and how it is getting addressed. We'll also see as what ChatGPT is offering in enterprise editions, and what are the other factors which different companies are also doing. Although I have not included here that software thing, but these are all part of software businesses as well. Let's say education, there is an education software, there finance, banking, obviously fintech clients are obviously they are doing into the software segment. E-commerce is also there, they are developing software for that. So every time software is getting deployed, so let's say you like to have debugging scenario, right? So ChatGPT can help you into that as well. So this all things we'll see while doing live either coding or debugging a particular scenario. So don't worry about that.